I woke up in such a great mood today, so we are going to go do some shopping. I am going to stop by at Home Depot, TJMaxx. If you saw my last video, you know that I'm going to be brightening up my place, and the painting is done. So now it's time to decorate. So come and decorate with me. Hopefully we will find some really nice pieces. I am going to go look at a sofa set right now. So major changes, but if it brings me joy and I'm happy, then that's all that matters.
I actually saw this sofa listed. It's at someone's home, but she's always traveling for work, so she's never used it.
So what'd you think of the sofa? I actually saw it on Marketplace. It's relatively new, so she got it, but is actually going to be moving and she's not going to take it with her. So we've got that, and then I am going to look at some furniture stores just to kind of see. She's got it priced very well. So, and I've already price compared it to the brand new one. So she's only had it 6 months. Long story. But anyway, so we are here at TJMaxx. So let's go check out what they have for home decor and help me get this place decorated. I'm going to try to stay very focused. But as you know, I am easily distracted.
Now, initially, I wanted to put something right next to the fireplace, whether it was a small little table or stool, but I really had my mind set on a tall plant next to that or on top of it. So these are some of the plants that I've seen. Now, normally I will have live plants, but they do get overgrown. They get very big. I have a green thumb without trying, and then I ultimately end up giving them away. So I am looking for something like this, like an artificial plant. I ended up moving over to their artwork, and I'm normally drawn to like the teals, different shades of teal and the different shades of blue. So I'm going to quickly glance over what they have and see if anything catches my eye. Now, if you've seen some of my past videos, you know that I've mentioned that the lighting in my living room is very poor. So I am looking for a new set of lamps. And I am definitely loving the shape and the different color tones in this one. And they do have a matching set. Now, I did promise myself I wasn't going to get distracted. I am in no way, shape, or form redecorating my bathroom, but I did run into some of these dispensers and I thought they were very pretty. But this tile one was gorgeous. I loved it. And of course, it being on clearance didn't help. But again, I am not going to get distracted. I also want to look at the picture frames. Now I'm looking for some larger picture frames so that I can put on either side of the fireplace. Now I have seen some on Amazon, which I kind of have my mind set on those. So for now, I'm just going to glance over and see if that's definitely the route I'm going to go. Now this set comes in a set of 9 picture frames, and the ones I'm looking at come in a set of 6. I was getting ready to leave and I was drawn to a sofa, but then more than anything I saw these plants and I thought I'd give it one more shot and see what they have, but I was also looking for a blanket ladder. So I'm kind of hoping that I find one here.
All right, so that was a bit much. That store was packed with people, so it made it hard to record, and then it was really hard for me to like pay attention to what was going on. I was getting very distracted because there were so many beautiful new items in there. But I did love the lamps. I thought they were beautiful. I'm always drawn to the blues and the teals, so I absolutely love those lamps. I was thinking about getting a ladder for throw blankets. I didn't see any. A friend of mine said that she had seen them here, but I didn't see any. But I did see some tables that I thought were very pretty instead of that. So I'm going to keep looking around. I am going to go grab a bite to eat and then to see what else I find. Okay, so I decided on Costa Vida, so I'm gonna run in there, grab something to eat. I'm really trying to stay away from like the French fries, which I absolutely love, but I've just making a conscientious effort to eat better. So anyway, let's go in here, grab something to eat, and then we will definitely see what we can find for shopping.
So I went with the Baja bowl, and it has this yummy dressing. I wish I could remember. It was like a cilantro dressing, but look at this. It is a raspberry chipotle chicken.
I ordered the Baja bowl and it is so good. Like I said, I'm just trying to make healthier choices in my food because I was starting to go overboard with like the french fries and the really salty foods, and it's not good. So anyway, just making better choices in general. But anyway, so let's go ahead and do some more shopping, and then let's see what we can find. Okay, so I decided to come to Michael's, and I did find this. I'm not 100% sure that this is what I'm looking for, but check this out. All of this is 40% off. And this is pretty much what I'm looking for, although I already bought a basket. So I may just take these out and put them in the basket. So anyway, I am going to keep looking. They are stocked with spring. Even though Michael's did have something of what I'm looking for as far as the leaf plant was concerned, it was too tall and it was too big. So I still have time. We're going to dinner tonight at 7. So I still have time to run over to Marshall's really quick and see what they have. And then hopefully I'll find something. Otherwise, I'll have to keep looking. But in the meantime, just enjoy the day. I ended up making a U-turn, and I'm gonna go into Ross instead of Marshall's because Marshall's is a little farther away and I don't want to be late for dinner. So let's run in here, see what I can find. I'm always hopeful that I get everything done in one day, and it's not quite looking that way, but it's been a great day so far and it's been beautiful. So let me run in here, let's see what we can find, and then get ready for dinner. All right. See you in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna walk straight to the home decor section so that I don't get distracted because I am kind of watching my time. So let's roam around and see what I can find, and we'll just kind of go from there. Now, I did end up finding a tall basket very similar to this earlier today. I didn't end up recording it, but I did want to show you. They have these tall ones here for $16.99. Now, I did go to the wall art again, and I'm going to see if that will help me get a starting point. Now, I am looking for something other than metal. Now, I really do like this very large frame with all the smaller frames inside. This one is definitely gorgeous, but I do have a lot of silver tones. Now, here is a ladder, but this one has picture frames, so it is not for blankets, but at least it gives me an idea as to what it looks like. And again, with the picture frames, definitely leaning more towards the ones I saw at Amazon. Now, I absolutely loved this picture with the gems on the elephant. I thought it was gorgeous. And then here is this beach themed one. Thought it was beautiful, but I wanted deeper colors. And when I pulled this forward, oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. Now the little corner is ripped, so I'm going to make sure that there isn't any damage on the canvas, and it looks good. Now this is just for reference. Remember the blue lamps I saw at TJMaxx? I think this will be perfect for it. Oh my gosh, I know it's dark, so I'll show you tomorrow, but I was just so excited. Look at it. Oh, I love it. I love it. And look at this basket. And those, if you remember my Michael's Christmas clearance, these came from Michael's Christmas clearance, and I picked this one up today. This was only $2. Anyway, so we are on our way to transforming this. I'll show it to you tomorrow. It'll be a little better. Okay, so as you can see here, this is where I ended up hanging the painting. Initially, I thought I was going to put it over the fireplace, and I still would like to see it there. I think this clock is way too dark now to have it there. But again, I'm just starting to put things up on top of the mantle. It's not a very wide mantle, as you can see. So I did end up ordering the frames. I'll bring it up a little closer. It's got like a distressed, almost silver tone to it. But I'll back up so you can see. These are 8x10s, and I'm wondering if I should have got the 11x14s because now they look small. I wanted to see, this is where the other lamp would go. As you can tell, it is dark in here. I wish the lighting was better. And this one, I actually made that myself, and I love it. And look at this. It looks like an angel. I love it. I realized I didn't record an ending to this video, so what I'm going to do is leave you with some winter scenes from here in Reno, so if you haven't visited, you'll know what our winters are like. You guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and I will definitely keep you updated as to how this living room transformation happens. You guys, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.